All right, heading into the evening hours, a major storm system in the central and southern plains. You can see the low pressure center near Wichita sitting there, and this is a 12-hour loop. It hasn't moved very far, continues to throw up moisture right into the elevated terrain here, causing snow heavy in portions of Colorado, now shifting into Kansas and Nebraska. We're on the warmer, wet side of this system, and the rain continues for us. Just as a reminder, temperatures today way above average, even though a little bit of a spoiled attitude maybe that we all got after enjoying temperatures in the 60s this weekend. Average highs only in the 30s for this time of the year. Tonight, heading into the evening, watch out. There's reduced visibility in Lakes Country. Mainly, this will be a problem from the Red River and points east into the overnight hours. Lower than a mile at times over the last hour. Looking off to the east as we peer across the Red River into Minnesota. 42 degrees at Hector, and out in Moorhead right now, it's 41, winds at 12 miles per hour. Grand Forks, not as hazy and not as gray, but still a soggy day for you with about 1/3 of an inch of rain. You have 41 degrees. Look at the 30s off to the west. It's cold in Langdon, Devil's Lake at 33, and a degree better in Jamestown. Earlier today, western Stutsman County showed some snow on the radar. We still are holding on to the 40s from the Red River to points east. That's where we find some showers continuing. Fergus Falls north into Becker County and not far from Detroit Lakes, and pushing on up towards Itasca, Bagley, and Bemidji. We see a band of some rain showers continuing to push its way through on some strong north winds, so these will continue to surge northward. Down to the south, we don't see a lot of reinforcing rain showers for the remainder of our early evening. Again, passing rain showers early this evening for our eastern counties as this storm combines warm air from the Gulf Coast and the Central Plains. More severe weather today, tornado warnings, flash flood warnings, heavy rain, snow on the backside. Here's how our evening goes. Temperatures in the 30s, west, clouds and passing showers east, but it looks like the heaviest is done. Watch what happens overnight. We're going to focus on the Minnesota side of the Red River, and we'll have, boom, another surge of moisture working its way up. Passing showers, best chance east. Looking off to the west, so another cold front is going to push through. This is mixed precipitation here. I think there'll be a chance of some sleet. Not necessarily freezing rain, although your windshield may have a little layer of ice on it. Heading through the mid-morning hours, this changes back to rain. And we'll see winds northwesterly, pretty light in the first half of the day, and rainy across most of the region. Heading into the afternoon, watch this. The isobars get way too friendly. We're going to have winds that will develop in the afternoon. After work, after school, gusts to 65 miles per hour, where you see me highlighting the red area there, James River Valley, Devil's Lake. Just terrible conditions driving in or around the lake tomorrow. Be careful if you drive a high-profile vehicle. Fargo, Grand Forks, we could still see gusts to around 50 miles per hour through the Red River Valley. Heading into the evening, this wind lasts into our early Thursday as temperatures dive. Here's a look at your planner. 34 tomorrow, light winds, passing showers throughout the day. We'll see temperatures rise only to the low to mid-40s at best. Passing showers of rain in the south, a chance for a few flakes of snow as we look at our northern counties and northwestern counties tomorrow. But it does look like we have the coldest of the air on its way. Beautiful sunsets will be a little harder to see. Thank you, Dar, for sharing yours. And here's another one from the Grand Forks area. Thank you, Melanie. Planning forecast shows the cold will take hold as we close out our work week. Thursday morning, 22. Some of us will have lows in the teens, maybe near 10 degrees for some on Friday morning. But we do warm up a little bit with temperatures well above average for this time of the year for the weekend ahead. So a hitch in the old giddy-up. Tomorrow, late day, do not try to carry a 4x8 sheet of plywood. It'll be difficult.
No, I don't think you should at all.
Nope. Very windy.
Right.
Yep.
The Bison are fighting for the Missouri Valley Conference crown this weekend. What it's going to take coming up later in sports.
And there's still time for you to get to a Moorhead church where they're hosting a soup fundraiser. Stay tuned.